a working woman, I sometimes feel that I'm not able to devote much time to my household. I hardly get any time during weekdays, so I try to make the best use of weekends. Right now, in this pandemic situation and with the lockdowns, one cannot think of going outdoors, but this entire situation takes a toll on mental health. I still try to be positive and try to find happiness in the smallest of things, develop a hobby, things to keep me occupied. Ever since I was a child, I always used to love the sight and smell of nature. We shifted to this house a few months ago and I didn't get a chance to remodel the balconies. Still, I feel that a well decorated garden goes a long way to give that sense of goodness and peace. I never have been a good cook and have kept a cook for lunch and dinner, but I try to make time to prepare breakfast and snacks. Maybe it might not be up to the mark and could have been better, more perfect, but I believe it's not about perfection. It's about your will and determination to take that effort. If you really do what your heart desires, there is no better satisfaction than that. Hence, I'm sharing a glimpse of my routine via this video. Weekdays are very hectic and most of the time it's work and meetings that eats up a lot of time and mind. That's why I try to find happiness in some things like this tea. It's my way of pampering myself and my little bit of personal time. Maybe you know all the recipes. In fact, most would be better cooks than me, or I can ever be. But for me, after 5 tiring days, it's the little things that keep me happy, make me smile, and want to see and believe the world is a much better place. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you also smiling always. See you all again, and thanks for watching.